Hello everybody, this is Akirito, and today I'd like to teach you how to play Santa Claus is Coming to Town, the ukulele solo version. So, first thing first, I will show you how it goes. As usual, I made a tab, and you can download this tab, fabulous tab, from my Patreon site. So yeah, only $1 per month. You can download any tabs I post there. So yeah, please do consider with my Patreon. Even though you're not my Patreon, you can just enjoy this video and play this song perfectly. I'm going to explain every move in this video, so no need to download all these tabs, but if you want to keep these, you can always download at my Patreon site. So, first I'm going to explain how to play your right hand. This is quite, easy song, and I made it so easy that, even a beginner can play this song. So, yeah, this is really nice song for, just the beginner who started ukulele instrumental. Yeah, or it's even good for anyone who wants to play Christmas songs. So yeah, let's get started. So right hand technique is quite simple, just thumb going down. Well, there are so many bad reputation about thumb, but thumb has really like nice sound toward the melodies. I mean, well, compared with the nail picking, it gives you warmer and softer sound. So I'm going to encourage you to play this song in this way. So first, make 3 fingers like this, and you grab the ukulele by its joint, all right, like this, and put them here, and remove your thumb and relax your hands a little bit and play all the way down. So this is the original way to play the strings by thumbs. All right, so like this. And before jumping to the videos, I have to tell you how to play top 3 strings, okay, without touching the last string here. So the way to play top 3 string is to touch the first string. After play 3 strings, you touch the first string. Then the first string will not ring at all. So like this, try this. This is very crucial to play this song. So yeah, just learn these 2 techniques. Thumb and play top 3 string. Alright? So now, move on to the content. Section 1 goes like this. Section 1 is kind of long, so be patient. Like this. So first, play 3rd string bottom, play 2nd string 3rd fret. Okay? And top 3 string of open string, and like this. So 2nd string 1st fret, 3rd fret. Alright? So up to here. The next move is like this. Keep your ring finger on the 2nd string 3rd fret and play top 3 string. Alright? And next chord is F. This one. So first finger here, middle finger top of the 2nd fret. So play all the way down and play, add your ring finger on the 2nd fret bottom string and put your pinky on the 1st string 3rd fret. Okay, so and play all the way down. So up to here. And the next move is take off your left hand and play open string, top 3 strings, just top 3 strings. And 2nd string 1st fret, 3rd fret, and play top 3 strings, and play the 2nd string again in F, remember, and put your ring finger on the 2nd string 3rd fret. Play and take it off and play 2nd string and F, but again only top 3 strings. So up to here, this is section 1. So I'm going to play this section 1 again very slowly so you can play along with me, alright? So, first move, right? Play. Next one is F. And like this. So that was section 1. So move on to the next one. Section 2 goes like this. Short and easy, right? So first chord is open string and play top 3 strings. And play 2nd string 3rd fret and take off and play 3rd string, 2nd string and D minor. Put your pointer finger here, 2nd string, and middle finger on the top string of the 2nd fret, and put your ring finger on the 2nd fret 3rd string. So that's D minor, and play top 2 strings so you can touch the 2nd string, alright? Like this. And play 2nd string and G, C. So how to play G? Alright, G is here, here, and here. Okay? Play all the way down and play C. C is 3rd fret 1st string, right? So that's the section 2. I'm going to play it slowly again. Alright? Alright? And after this, you can play section 1 again and section 2 again. And play C7, alright? Like this. So I'm going to play it, alright? After C, you play C7, okay? Then move on to section 3. So, section 3 goes like this. Like this. It's quite simple, alright? So first chord is this one. So put your pointer finger here and your ring finger here and play bottom string. So first string, and put your pinky on the 5th fret of the first string, and take off your pinky and play the first string, and put your middle finger on the 2nd fret first string, and put your here, and take off these 2 strings and keep your pointer finger here all the way down and play first string again and do the same thing like this. So I'm going to play slowly again. Okay, so section 3. Move on to section 4. The section 4 goes like this. I guess this is gonna be the trickiest part in this song, so let's get started. First chord is like this. Pointer finger here in the bottom 2 strings of the 5th fret, and put your middle finger on the 6th fret of the 3rd string and play bottom string, and put your ring finger on the 7th fret of the 1st string and play all the way down, and take off your ring finger and play the 1st string, and put your pinky on the 9th fret of the 2nd string and play, or you can play 1st string 4th fret, either way, yeah. So up to here, and play bottom string 5th fret, and play G. G is like this, and play all the way down and 1st string twice. Okay? No. All the way down and play 1st string again, and play all the way down again, and play 1st string and put your pinky on the 3rd fret of the 1st string, and like this. So first, play D. So bar the 2nd fret and put your pinky on the 10th fret of the 1st string, and put your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the 1st string, and play all the way down of the 2nd fret bar, and play 1st string 0th fret, and G all the way down like this, and G7. G7 is like this, here, here, here. So I'm going to play this part slowly again. Alright? After section 4, you can play section 1 and section 2 again. So and after that, you can play G7. Alright, like this. And play section 5. Alright? Okay, open string and section 5 start. Like this. So play top 3 strings of the open string and play 2nd string 3rd fret and open string 3rd string 2nd string and D minor, you remember? And top 2 string and 2nd string and G, yeah, G, alright? So put your pointer finger here, middle finger here, and put your pinky on the 5th fret of the 1st string and play C. Okay? And another variation is that, then play, after that you can play G, C. Yeah, that could be another variation, but yeah. So according to this tab I made, yeah, the ending is, that's the end. So that's a song, whole song. And lastly, I'm going to show you the video with section numbers on it, alright? So that you can practice later on using that video part, alright? So take a look. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright, so see you next time. Bye bye.